Where are we?
We're at
IGC 2026. My name is Kenny Elston. I am the CMO, the Chief Morale Officer of the Vlad Cherchenko Insurance Agency. IGC has already been a fantastic success. We have amazing speakers, incredible vendors. The attendees are having a great time. The energy is electric. Let's go check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, our host, Vlad Cherchenko!
Steven, you're doing a $100,000 producer panel alongside some of titans of the industry. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling ecstatic. I am so excited to get onto this panel.
The 100K panel is about to start. This is, I would say, maybe the pinnacle of the event, particularly for me, though I do have a vested interest. Emma and Stephen Moitz, they're going to be speaking alongside Chris, another fantastic producer. I cannot wait to see what they have to say. Let's get inside. How you guys doing?
Absolutely perfect. We are so excited to be here, locked in, ready to go.
I came to the convention to learn some stuff from Vlad and pick up some new tools to take back with me.
We have the vendor area. We've got a ton of people here that are applying their craft and trade, trying to put people in touch with the tools to grow their business. We got a ton of growth-minded people. Let's go check it out.
Out of all the agent-driven conferences I've been to, this is the biggest, this is the most engaged, this is the most hungry agents. If you're a vendor looking to explore working with the Insurance Growth Conference, you need to be here.
The people are highly engaged, they want to learn, and there's a lot of positive energy here that we're feeling right now. Very excited in anticipation of what's yet to come.
Breakout rooms have just started. People are filing into all of the rooms for all of the speakers. They are imparting fantastic knowledge. They got about 35 minutes to do their entire presentation. So time is of the essence, but people are there, they're ready to go, they're learning, and they're getting better. Let's go see what one looks like. Let's go. That's just a taste of what a breakout room looks like. If you're not here, I'm sorry, but you're missing out. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in full swing here at the Mixer/networking event. The drinks are flowing. People are having a lovely time. There are hors d'oeuvres. There is raffle tickets to be won. We're having a fantastic time. Let's see how some of the games are going. With that, ladies and gentlemen, the IGC is concluded. We have had so many fantastic lessons from guest speakers, from titans of the industry. We have networked. We will go home and implement things to make our businesses, our lives, and the lives around us better. We are so thankful for everyone that came out. We cannot thank you enough. It has been a pleasure serving and speaking with you. I cannot wait for next year, IGC 2027. It's going to come sooner than you think, so get your tickets. We are so excited to do a bigger, even better job next year. Again, Kenny the CMO here. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later.